Congratulations to all of us mining the GOAT's airdrop. The snapshot is ongoing and everything is running smoothly right now. So in this video, let's discuss the GOAT snapshot criteria and price prediction. All of this in this video. Pay attention and watch this video all the way to the very end. Join our Telegram channel. I will leave a link in the description and also in the pinned comment. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. If you come to the GOAT mini app, you will see snapshot is in progress. Let's do the recap. GOAT's journey recap. So if you look at this very place, you discover there are 22.4 plus million users have joined the GOAT's airdrop. So this number of persons join, and if you look at this very player, 2.9 plus billion games played, and if you look at 10 plus thousand tons rewarded, and if you click on next, because this is a recap just according to what God have already said, if you look at this very contribution is key. This is one of the things I wanted to pay attention to. The GOAT's pass is essential for airdrop, with each letter making increasing levels of contribution from S to G. Your contribution determines your rank, and this is what you must pay attention to. So how well have you contributed to the GOAT airdrop? Did you buy ton? Did you really spend much ton on this very airdrop? If you do not, please don't expect much from the GOAT airdrop. And another thing is, if you did not spend ton at all, then you may be on the disadvantage side. If you look at this very statement critically, GOAT is saying that your contribution is essential to getting greater percentage of this very airdrop, which determine your rank. And if you click on next, see more contribution, more GOATs. GOAT airdrop criteria are purely based on level of contribution of all users to bring fair and square game. All GOATs will be converted to GOAT at the base ratio. The users in higher ranks will receive a bonus. The higher the rank, the bigger the bonus. So if you did not really contribute, then there should be no need expecting any big GOAT token. So keep your expectation very low, bring it right down, okay? Don't over expect. Like I always say, it is very bad for you to over expect from the GOAT airdrop when you did not really make any significant contribution. And that also will be out of place for you to think they're going to give you the same airdrop with those that really put in their effort and participated very, very well. So if you look at this very rank, we have rank 1 up to rank 5. But one thing that I found disturbing here is that they did not really give the criteria or the parameters on this rank. That is what they use in measuring this rank. Let's say, for example, maybe people that have 5 million GOAT above should be in rank 1, then below that rank 2, 50 million rank 3, and all of those stuff. There is nothing like that mentioned here, which we're supposed to know as a community, the determination of what they use in this very ranking from rank 1 to rank 5. So possibly this is supposed to be shown to us as a community if this is really a community project. And this is my own personal opinion. So this is what we have right now. And if you click on next, you will discover that this is going down. GOAT claim on November 30th, that is tomorrow, a new adventure awaits. Play and end with GOAT, beginning with claiming yours. So if you did not mind this airdrop, then forget about it. This airdrop is not for you. And that is why you have to take airdrop seriously and do it at your leisure. Like I always say, because most of this airdrop will not pay. Some of it is going to pay. But the question is, the more you become serious about the one you are doing, the high chance of you getting high reward. And right now, the snapshot is in progress and claiming is tomorrow, which I'm going to do a video on that as well tomorrow on how to claim your GOAT airdrop. So stay tuned and watch my next video. And another thing I want to do right here is GOAT price prediction. Like I always say, don't over expect from the GOAT team. Keep things very, very simple as you can. Just keep it right down so that you don't over expect from the GOAT team, because over expectation can be very detrimental and bad. So that is what you must have to do right now. So if we look at the price prediction, but before we talk about the price prediction, let's look at what GOAT is doing right now on pre-market. Look at the pre-market of GOAT right at this very point. It has increased plus 20%, and right now it's trading at 0.306. And if you click on it right at this very point on BitGet, this is the exchange I am currently on right now, and you click on coin overview. So under coin overview here, the most important thing right here is not this very long introduction. I am concerned about the total supply. Total supply right now is 20 billion tokens. 20 billion token is considerably very small or okay, but for me, can you tell whether this token is going to do well at listing? And this also determines or boils down to the parameters and what they put in as liquidity for this very token, especially when they are going to list it on the major exchange. And remember, they've already said that Gate.io is one of the exchange that is right now on board. So don't forget that. So if you don't have an account yet with Gate.io, you can create one while we are waiting for them to bring out more exchanges. And if you look at 20 billion token multiplied by the price on pre-market right now of 0.306. So if you do that multiplication, you discover that the market is going to have a significant drawdown. So 20 billion, which is what you're seeing on the screen right now, multiplied by 0.306. This is going to give us $12 million market capitalization. Now, is this possible? Yes, because market can go all the way down if the GOAT team did not put a lot of things in place. But I don't expect this from the GOAT team with a 20 billion token. They should do more than this, okay? And what I am personally expecting is for the GOAT team to list this very token at 0.201, okay, which will give this token a $20 million market capitalization and up to 0.203. This is my own price prediction. Or if you want to bring it down a little bit, you can say 0.308. That is with a $16 million market capitalization and 0.203. This is what I am expecting right now. Don't over expect from the GOAT team, guys. I don't really think this very token is going to do super well in the market. It's going to do well. Initial pump with most newly listed token is going to happen. Market is going to pump all the way to the upside after that very listing. That is why I am reconsidering my price at 0.308, which will give us a $16 million market capitalization and 0.201. Okay, this is what you should be expecting right now. Market can move from here all the way to the upside with 0.203, giving a $60 million market capitalization. This is what I am personally looking at right now. So gold price prediction, as we await the listing very soon, claiming is tomorrow. Snapshot is ongoing. So gold price prediction should be between 0.308 and 0.201. This is what I'm expecting right now. Please don't over expect from any airdrop team. Don't overshoot your target. Even though you're expecting something great from the airdrop, don't do that. Always keep things very simple and ensure that you do all that is needed for you to get the airdrop. Don't cheat the system. Put everything clean and smooth. So this is what I'm personally expecting right now, 0.201 and 0.308. This is my price prediction range right now for the good airdrop. So what are you expecting? Comment below right now in the comment section of this very video. Let me see it. Consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for more crypto content. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, join right now with the link in the description and also in the pinned comment for more crypto news, technical analysis, and investing strategy. Watch this video right here if you're a beginner trader, and if you want more airdrop, the Pulse airdrop is there for you. Watch this video right here as well. Thanks for supporting this channel.